Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Peyton Langford, certified most accurate by WeatherRate.
Thanks, Doug. I'll borrow that term as well. A jacked and juiced cold front expected tonight and this weekend. We'll give you the latest information throughout the full forecast. Temperatures right now, though, upper 50s to lower 60s across the board in northwest Arkansas. Still seeing middle 60s in Fort Smith, although Clarksville and Harrison a little bit cooler, lower 50s. We will see some cooler temperatures as we head throughout the morning tomorrow morning. Current winds right now really racing ahead of that system. Winds were slowly starting to turn more towards out of the northwest right now, pretty much out of the west-northwest. Winds 22 miles per hour in Fort Smith, 24 miles per hour in Bentonville. A little bit gusty today as well. Wind gusts reaching up to 35 miles per hour in Bentonville. Definitely a gusty day across the weather coverage area ahead of this cold front. Behind that, plenty of cold, dry air as well. Dew points already starting to drop pretty significantly across the area. You can see that dry air coming in. If you look at the dew points right now, just earlier, about an hour ago, upper 40s were the dew points, 47. And now dropping to 40 degrees. That's a sign that that front is passing. You got the dew point dropping, the winds changing. Now we just need that colder air. It's lagging behind a little bit, but it'll definitely be here tomorrow morning. You'll definitely be hitting the face with it when you walk out the door. A northwest wind at 20 miles per hour tomorrow at 6 a.m. So that 37 is, it's not too bad. Upper 30s, lower 40s. Well, it'll feel like the middle to upper 20s in northwest Arkansas. Feel like the lower 30s in the River Valley. Definitely a shock to the system compared to the 60s like we saw today as we warm up on our Tuesday. Definitely not feeling all that mild compared to today. Feeling like the middle to upper 30s once you factor in that northwest wind at 15 miles per hour. Feeling like the lower to middle 40s in the River Valley, even though we will reach the upper 40s to lower 50s. How about the ball drop temperature? It'll be nice and chilly, feeling like the middle 20s, below freezing temperatures in northwest Arkansas, lower to middle 30s in the River Valley. Some spots might even see the upper 30s with those winds finally calming down. 2025 will start off relatively cold, maybe a couple degrees below normal than where we should be for this time of the year. We have another reinforcing shot of cold air that plays an important role in what goes on this weekend. That front comes through on Thursday, maybe brings a little bit cloud cover, not going to be seeing any precipitation. However, if that cold air stays in place, Saturday night into Sunday could look a little bit different than what the models show. I do think a lot of the cold air will be pushed to the north a little bit, meaning Saturday night into Sunday will feature a lot of rain. However, there is a chance at some wraparound precipitation, and we know what that brings. That might bring a little bit of that winter stuff. So we'll have to watch the track of this low and the cold air, if it'll be in place, how deep that cold air layer will be, and that'll determine what happens Sunday night into Monday. A lot of details to iron out. We'll definitely keep an eye on it. We'll let you know Thursday. We'll have a decent idea. Friday, though, we'll definitely have a good idea of kind of what to expect. But we've all seen some tricky forecasts, and that's what we'll be seeing this weekend. A cold blast with this first system. That's just the beginning of some much colder air that'll filter in. So for the first full week of 2025 and January, definitely going to feel like well below normal temperatures. So we might be seeing highs in the upper teens come next week, Doug.